Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the today's problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks. Question name is remove invalid parentheses. Question says that given a string S consisting of lowercase letters and parentheses opening and close round parentheses, a string is considered valid if every opening parenthesis has a corresponding closing parenthesis. Second, parentheses are properly nested. Remove the minimum number of invalid parentheses from S so that the resulting string become valid. Return all possible distinct valid strings in lexicographically sorted order. So let's take the first example. This is the input string and we have valid parentheses. After removing minimum number of parentheses would be this and this. And in the second example, we have some string and after removing parentheses our string has two possibility of strings and there is no any possibility to balance it, so we have written empty string as the list. So our constraint is given S is length between 1 to 20. So the core idea is we need to remove the minimum number of invalid brackets and we have to return all possible valid strings. We have to avoid the duplicates and our result must be sorted in order. Okay, and the optimal approach would be BFS. Why BFS? Because BFS remove the parentheses level by level, and first we get a valid string. That level already has minimum removals. Okay, so a string is valid if count never becomes negative and final count becomes 0. So let's write Python solution for that. Okay, so we have to first import the BFS. So let's import it from collection module, from collections import dq. In BFS we will use dq, so we will import the dq, and after that we will initialize q equal to dq of s, and after initialization we will initialize a set visited. Visited is our set, and we will make our string as a set of list. Okay, so that would be work as our visited set. Then take an answer array that is initialized with empty list, and after that we will have a boolean variable found that is initially false. After that we will write a while loop while our q we have to pop left as our BFS structure, q dot pop left, and this will give the left value, and we will check, we will create a function is valid, and in this function we will check it is valid or not. It is valid current, our current string is valid, then we will append it to our answer dot append current. Okay, so if the string is valid, then we will put it into our answer and we will found equal to true. Okay, we get the string, so we will our boolean variable becomes true, and we will check if found, then we not need to do anything, just continue. Okay, and after that for I in range we have to loop over the length of current. For every current string we will check if current of I, if current of I not in this, I have to put it inside the string, so we will apply parenthesis. So if no current not in this, so we have to continue. continue, and after that we will initialize one variable next, that is equal to current of start to I, and we will skip this current. For that I will delete, just we are deleting it, so for that I will take I plus 1 to the end, and from starting to I will consider I minus 1 from I minus till I minus 7, and after that we will consider from I plus 1 to the end of the string. In this way we can delete the particular character. Then we will check if next not in visited, and if it is not in visited, then we will put inside the visited dot add next. After that we will append it in our queue dot append next. So that was the simple BFS structure, and then we will have to return lexicographically order. So we will return sorted of, list of, set of. So we have to remove the duplicate, so we will using set of answer, we will convert into set, that would remove the duplicates. Then sorted of list will return the sorted order, that is sorted in lexicographically. So one thing that we have remained, that we have to write the function is valid. So let's define it. Definition of is valid. Let's create some space here, it's looking like messy. Okay, so let's define it. So we have to write function is valid, we have to pass one string. Let's take st, then create one variable count, that is initialized with 0. Then for every character, for character in st, we have to check if character ch equal to opening parenthesis, and then we have to increment our count plus 1 elif character equal to closing parenthesis. Then we have to remove our count, so we will decrement the count minus equal to 1, and after that we will check if count is less than 0, then at that time we have to return false, and we have to check if after the loop we will check we have to check count equal to 0. If our count becomes 0, then we have to return true, otherwise return false. So let's try to run this. There is some error, let's check it. Sorry, we have put a double equal to, have to put double equal to, then try to run it. So we have to take our s inside our list, so we will take dq list. Okay, so there is a one typo, we have to write the current CURR. Now try to run it. Yeah, it is passed for run basic cases. Now try to submit that. Okay, so we have solved the question. So question is very simple. For using DFS we have used, so the complexity would be 2 to the power n. For every number we have checked all possibilities. So why BFS? So BFS guarantees the minimum removals. Okay, so it prevent duplicate processing. Thanks for watching, hope you understand this.